Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lisa, and today I am back with a brand new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to use AI to generate your blog posts, your articles for your blog, to just make everything easy for you. So many people don't know how to write, so many people don't know how to go about it. So we're going to be using AI, artificial intelligence, to develop a blog post. Whew, I had so much coffee this morning. So there's so many AI tools, AI writing tools that you can use for your blog and your articles. You will be the one to pick out which one you want the most. Usually I use ChatGPT because it's free. Of course, it's free and it's very fast, and they don't make it very hard for you to use it. So I use ChatGPT and I love it. So I'm just recommending you decide whatever works for you. It helps you, it takes all the load off your head of finding. You don't have to use it for you can use it for different things. You can use it to generate topics to talk about. You can use it to write for your blog. You can use it to generate titles. You can use it to generate so many things. So I just opened OpenAI to generate our blog post today. So this is the website, ChatGPT, and then you click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see these two prompts: either log in or sign up. If you don't have an account with them before, you click on sign up. But personally, I use the app. So if you don't want to use the app, you create your account here, put in your email address, and just like continue. It's going to lead you, but I prefer to use the app, as I've said. So I'm going to be using the app for today. This is what it looks like. Really nothing much. You just have to input your prompt. It is, trust me, it is the best thing you would ever use. It is the best thing ever. There's really nothing, no stress, nothing. You just write your prompt. So I'm going to be showing you how to write a prompt on ChatGPT. You have to specify, be very specific, and you're going to pick a topic. Once you have a topic in your head, you just write an article on how to make money. So you have to put apostrophe on how to make money in 2023, and then you close it, and then you just hit generate. And then once you hit generate, I'm using my phone. I usually use my laptop, but I'm using my phone in this video. See, it's already generating it. Simple as ABC. It's already generating it. You don't have to write anything. You just have to wait for it to generate everything. And then all you have to do is that. Input whatever you want. See, that's it. And then you just go ahead, check it. If this is what you want, just copy it and paste it in your notepad. So once the AI writing tool has generated the articles for you, the next thing you want to do is now start putting your own words, like editing it out, proofreading, changing some words that may look too tacky, or the grammar is too hard. You can just do some editing, do some proofreading. Usually there's no typographical error in AI, so you don't have to check for spellings because the spellings are usually correct. But then you can edit it, put it in your own words. For example, you can use Grammarly. There's so many apps that you can use to edit the post that AI has generated for you. Proofread it. You can use to check plagiarism. Plagiarism is you want to ensure that it's not just copying something from somewhere that's like exactly the way it's somewhere and then putting it on your own website. That would be too much plagiarism. So you have to check for plagiarism if it's not like the same thing on other people's website that you're going to be putting on your own website. You change it if you want to. You can use Grammarly to rewrite the whole article that AI just generated for you. You can rewrite it on there. Also, that is automated. You copy and paste the article into Grammarly and then it will rewrite it for you. easy as that. So you see, it's very easy to use this thing instead of you spending days, because you can actually spend days to write articles. So instead of you spending so much, you know, using so many hours trying to like generate one article, AI has done it for you. What a great time to be alive. So once you've done that, you have to go on your blog. And then once you get on your blog, of course, you can't just copy and paste it and upload it. No, you want to put some things in capital letter, you want to make some things bold. What AI does is it will write like long paragraphs, so you can break the paragraphs into smaller paragraphs and easy to read. And then once you've done that, of course, you want to upload featured image, because you need picture to like on your blog. So you put in picture, you check for you check the SEO score. If it's not, usually I would advise that you write articles that is like at least 1,000 words. So if it's not up to 1,000 words, you want to do some writing to just make it 1,000, if you can do that. So write some things and make it 1,000 words. And once you're done with that, find a good title, put in the title. And once that is done, just do random editing on your blog post before you upload it. Okay, so you do some random checking, see if it's okay, and then you upload it. Simple as that. Once you're done with the editing and everything, publish and then promote. Look, let me just advise you, learn to actually promote your blog. Don't just write a blog post and just go and put it somewhere and just hope that people are going to click on it. No, that's not how it's done. You're new, you're supposed to like promote your blog. You're supposed to share with people, find a relevant group to join and put your links there. Don't be an ass about it, make it very, very classy. Don't just be throwing your links everywhere. Make sure that you make it in a way that they're not going to be deleting your post in the groups. Make sure that you're actually helping people. You tell people, okay, so I have something that can help you. Do you want me to share the links? Share your links everywhere. Share it. Okay, you don't have to be shy. You don't have to, just share your links with people. So don't just write your post and just let it sit down. No, don't do that. Post it, share your videos everywhere, promote it. If you even want to run ads, okay? So that's the end of it. AI has done everything for you. It's very, very easy. Personally, for my blog, I have people that help me when I'm busy. When I'm too busy with something else, they help me to write and everything, and I have to pay them. But now I don't have to pay anybody. I can just like go on my ChatGPT and generate blog posts. All I have to do is proofread, edit it out. Very easy. Please, if this tips works for you, make sure that you drop it in the comment section down below. Let me know how I've been able to help you. Let me know where you're from. Let me know everything. I want to know. I want to help you. I want to keep helping you. And if you also have a question that you would like me to answer, if you have a topic that you've been struggling with, please put it in the comment section down below. So I'll see you in my next one. Love you.